Oliver in front of you. I'm here to report about a natural nuclear reactor. You know, Fermi's atomic pile is not actually the first nuclear reactor on Earth. In 1972, physicists measuring samples of uranium ore in Gabon, West Africa, stumbled upon the existence of a natural nuclear reactor. Uranium ore that is done today normally contains the isotope. The Gabon sample contained an unusually low portion of uranium-235. When the scientists investigated further, they found traces of other rare elements in the ore body and portion very similar to these found in man-made nuclear reactors. Physicists think that around 1,800 million years ago, when a portion of uranium-235 was probably as a chain reaction. It's behind the water trapped in natural reactor. There were at least say at them, operated from relatively short time. And now this is the picture of the radiation shield. Wall number one, fuel pellet. Uranium fuel sintered into pellets as a pencil. And this one is the wall number two cladding tube, made of a strong high temperature resistant metal like zirconium. And wall number three, reactor pressure vessel, a 150 millimeter thick container made out of soft steel. And wall number four, reactor container, amount of steel container about 30 millimeters thick, which houses the pressure vessel. Radiation shields are barriers in nuclear power plant facilities. Um, what did the physicists learn from a natural reactor in Oklo, Gabon, West Africa? First, they learned that radioactive waste take very long time to disappear. For instance, the Oklo natural nuclear operated for only about a million years, and yet it took another 2,000 million years before the radioactive waste escaped from reactor sites. The Oklo site, whoever gave scientists and engineers hints on how radioactive waste can be stored. Studies done natural sites show that atom plutonium produced never moved from the grain of uranium where they formed, despite exposure groundwater movement. For over 2 billion years, the fact that large parts of reactor containing the original waste were still largely intact after 2,000 million years. This provides some hope that nuclear fusion waste may be stored in stable geological repositories. That's what you call Gara.
Buong.